Welcome to my another video. This is actually your host and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about WrestleMania 37 Day 1. What are the things that going to happen on Day 1? What are my predictions? So let's watch the video because official prediction of WrestleMania 37 is here. Okay. The first match that I'm going to start with is about the WWE Championship match between Drew McIntyre and Bobby Lashley, which I believe will be the opening show of the match because Drew McIntyre promised that he will be entering at number 1 in the live audience section. So I am personally really excited for this match because this is a WrestleMania caliber match. And talking about the match, I think that both the superstars, really hard-hitting superstar, really equally matched superstar. So I think the fight will be good. So even though Bobby Lashley will try to defend his championship, but I think the clear-cut winner will be Drew McIntyre and he will be 3-time WWE champion. So for me, the winner will be Drew McIntyre, even though I'm looking for a great match between these two big guys. So hoping for a great match. Let's see what happens, but Drew McIntyre will be the winner. Okay, now the next match. The next match is the number 1 contender match. That is a fatal 4-way tag team match for the women's tag team championship. The teams are Lana and Naomi versus Mandy Rose, Dana Brooks versus the Riot Squad, that is Ruby Riott, Liv Morgan, and the team of Natalya and Tamina. So these are the 4 teams of women who will be competing for the women's tag team championship, and the winner will face the champion Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler at night 2. So talking about the match, I'm personally not that much interested about how good this match will be, but I know that the winner will be Natalya and Tamina. They are right now at the momentum for the women's tag team championship, so I think they will be the winner, and if they wins, it will be a tough competitor for Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler for night 2. So let's see what happens, but for me the prediction will be Tamina and Natalya, but personally I'm not that much excited for this match. Okay, now talking about the next match. The next match is the Raw Tag Team Championship match between the team of New Day and the team of AJ Styles and Omos. So it will be a on-ring debut for Omos. So I'm personally really excited because AJ Styles first time in the tag team division, playing with Omos against New Day. New Day is a strong team, so I'm hoping it will be a good match, some good show from Kofi, Xavier and AJ. Now the surprising package will be how WWE will use Omos in this match. But talking about the winner, I believe the winner will be none other than New Day, because what I personally think is that New Day will retain their championship in this particular match. It may be a shocking thing, but for me, I see the winner as New Day because AJ Styles and Omos is not a tag team champion material team. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping for a good match for this one also. Okay, now talking about the next match. The next match is again a 4-man tag team match. That is the team of Bad Bunny and Damian Priest versus Miz and Morrison. I am the least interested for this match, and for me the winner will be Damian Priest and Bad Bunny without any doubt. Miz and Morrison has been competing against a team, especially Bad Bunny, who is not even related to wrestling. So this is a kind of a celebrity match where every year WWE includes this. So for me, the winner will again be the celebrity team, that is Damian Priest and Bad Bunny. Okay, now comes the steel cage match between Braun Strowman and Shane McMahon. So this is a feud where WWE grows up rapidly. This feud started very lately and grows for a WrestleMania match very quickly. So as it's a steel cage match, so I have a enough interest for this match. But talking about the match, this match is a hard to predict, I believe, because even though there is a clear pick winner, Braun Strowman, but I think Shane McMahon will definitely have some tricks, will definitely get the help from outside to beat Braun Strowman. But I still believe that Braun Strowman will have the upper hand in this match and he will come out victorious. So for me, the winner will be Braun Strowman, but I am seeing some jump scary moments in this match from Shane McMahon, which will be a very, very treat to watch. Okay, now talking about the match that I am most excited for in night 1, and I believe will be the best match of night 1, that is Seth Rollins versus Cesaro. So we will see both the superstar, competing against each other in one of the most best rivalry build-up for WrestleMania 37, Cesaro's first, singles match for WrestleMania, and I believe that this will be also the best match of Cesaro's career, and I believe both the superstar will give us the best match of the night. We all know that how Seth Rollins deliver matches, and we also know the caliber of Cesaro. So there will be some big moments in this match, some high points, some low points. There will be lots of kick out, but at the end, I believe we will see Cesaro as the clear deserving winner against Seth Rollins. So Cesaro for me will be the winner. It's hard to tell that Seth Rollins will lose again in WrestleMania just like last year, just to upgrow the young talent. But still I would say, and I really want from my heart, that Cesaro wins this match, and I want this match to be the best match of the night. Now talking about the main event, which I will be this one, that is the SmackDown Women's Championship between Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. Personally, I am excited for this match because Bianca Belair is a strong competitor and so is Sasha Banks. And I believe this will be a good match, a very good match for for the two women to represent at WrestleMania for the championship. I'm personally rooting for this match as WWE will make this a main event, so I believe that it will be a main event caliber match for night one. So I am excited for this match, and I believe that there will also be some good jump scary moments. And if talking about the winner, I think Bianca Belair will win her first main card championship in WWE, and I think that this will mark the end of day one. So for me, I am personally excited for WrestleMania day one. I hope you are. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.